Welcome back to the shop. It's your boy Romanovich, the surgeon. Today we're back on something completely crazy. You can already see right there, but I started my own company, LLC, located here in Cleveland, Tennessee. If you need a bunch of work done, let me know. We do everything from landscaping, land development, trailer rental, demolition, and junk removal. Concrete work too if you need it. But today we have purchased and did a big purchase here. Here we have brought home a big boy. This is a 2002 Bobcat. I forget what the number is on it, but let's just say it's a beast. Thing weighs about 7,500 pounds. It's pushing the limits. Not of this trailer, because this trailer is rated at 14,000, so that's no big deal. But it's definitely what I wanted. Well, really more, because I wanted at least a small excavator to do some trench work and septic tank work and stuff like that. But this will do a lot better, because this is a 3.5 ton rated to 4 ton, so this thing can definitely dig. But yeah, I will definitely do a review on it a lot better later on, because I don't have the time. I just drove 6 hours just to get this thing, and yes, it's got some wear and tear. These little things are just the covers for the hoses, which I don't really care for. Obviously, I'll get them later, but it's time to unstrap this whole thing. Tracks, you know, they could use some love. Like I said, we're not going to do a review right now, but this is it. This is what she looks like up here. Like I said, it's a 2002. Hit the little bell so you guys get notifications when the video for this review is coming out. It needs some love, needs some attention. But it's a workhorse. We're definitely going to put it to work and get some videos out on this channel, because we have a lot of work coming our way. So stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace. I am going to go ahead and put you guys up on a post and let you guys watch how I fail to drive this thing off. Hopefully we don't fail. Obviously I'm a complete newbie, so we're going to find out how to learn the controls that he showed me for 5 minutes. So let's get this thing on the road. Well, I have since taken a nap, let my wife go somewhere, and it's still on there. So let me guys mount you up right here real quick, and let's get this thing out of here. I really hope I can still drive it. I mean, I did take a 3-hour drive back home, and yeah, I might have forgotten. So let's see if we can make this happen. We just had a crazy storm come through. I don't know, all these trees were like bending over like it was freaking, crazy, terrible weather. So let's get this thing off the trailer, and because we already have somebody that needs to rent the trailer out. Hopefully we can get it ready for them for tonight, and yeah, let's get it off. I'm gonna put the dirt side down, and I'll make it so the truck cannot go that way. And of course the truck is in emergency brake. Get this thing on the road. Ooh, it's wet back here. Woo! somewhat progress. I'm gonna go ahead and park it right over there, get it out of the crazy rain. This thing makes some crazy tracks. Look at that, it digs right in. I mean, this thing is heavy, so glad we got it off. Did really well. Obviously, checking the damage. There's no damage at all. It's a little slippery because I think there's a little bit of a hydraulic leak, but no big deal. Looking good. That thing's a beast. We just got an excavator ourselves. I think I showed you guys in one of the videos, but yeah, Bobcat all the way. Look at this thing. This thing's nuts. We almost bought one of these, but we figured we'd get an excavator because we do a lot of digging. We're gonna do a lot of septic tanks and stuff like that, so I think we need an excavator better than Bobcat. Bobcat would be awesome, but I think we'll get it for later. Oh yeah, we're gonna get loaded up. It's looking good. Stuff we need to level out our little property so we can start building. So we just made it back to the house. We're starting to unload. This is gonna be the spot where the shop will be at. There's our excavator. Hopefully we'll get it running here soon to do all this work that we need. But yeah, we gotta bring it up a good bit because this grade goes down like a serious slope. So we're gonna use all this here to hopefully level it up. I finally got my remote controls, but for some reason I haven't installed it yet, so. So let's see what's going on. I think I'm catching the ground. I think I'm digging right on the ground. Probably why it's not letting me go forward. Maybe a few spots, yeah. It's possible. I'm gonna go tilt more, but I think that's gonna be for it for now. I think we're gonna put it down a little bit, that way we can maybe not catch what we're catching. Let's see if we can pull it like that. Let me post you guys back up, because look at that, we're sinking. We got some rain last night, so I think that should help out right there. Let's see what we can make happen. I don't think we're getting out. This stuff is heavy. I think this is the heaviest load I've carried, because that excavator weighs 7,500 pounds itself, and this stuff is, I mean, unreal. Because from sitting here for maybe 10 minutes, look how much it's sunk. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to figure something out, pull myself out. I used to have my trailer with the winch, but I gave that away, so I don't have it at the moment being used. I guess I could tilt it all the way up and see if I can actually maybe scoop some of it out. Maybe get rid of some of this. Maybe that'll help some of this drop, because I think we're just, whenever we tilt all the way up, we're losing traction from the rear end. So let me see if I can maybe work something out with the shovel. Well, I was able to tighten this guy up. It's holding somewhat, so we're gonna try to get it with the excavator, because no matter how much I pick it up, it does not want to dump. So let me set you guys up over there, and hopefully I can operate this thing somewhat. Here I slowly started to figure out that I can actually, if I bend the full arm inward, well, it'll allow me to pick up the full arm and extend it all the way to the top. So even with a leaking cylinder, I'm able to do some kind of damage with it, so that's awesome. Very excited, but obviously we have like zero power because of the leaking cylinders, and got a video coming of how bad the leaking cylinders are and how many you need to actually rebuild. So we'll definitely be doing that here on this video. So if you want to learn how to rebuild the cylinders, stay tuned. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, and we'll show you guys how easy it is. as you can tell, even with the leaking cylinder, I actually tightened that up, like I said, and I'm able to actually get some work done. I'm stopping because I do need to fix up my teeth. These teeth are just all walking, so I need to really tighten them up so we can actually do some work with them. But other than that, man, guys, it's doing awesome. Very happy. It's doing really good. Like I said, I came over here, dumped this one, and that's it. Couldn't do anything else. I pulled my truck with another truck because it was just so stuck. But hey, we're getting somewhere. It's good. Whew. Well, I'm wore out because I'm using that shovel and the rake to get some of the small stuff off, but I just moved the truck a little bit further. We unloaded that whole pile there, as you can see. That was the first. I'm gonna go ahead and move the excavator even closer and see if we can get the rest of that, because that's really up there. And that's what happens when you bring dirt that really compacts together well. So it's gonna be a great foundation. And then of course we're gonna have rock on top and then the concrete slab, so it's exciting. So let me go ahead and drive over here and see if we can go ahead and scrape the rest of that off real quick. Here we go, guys. We're getting our filled dirt finally in here. This is all I brought from my buddy's shop because he didn't need it. He wanted to get rid of it. So now we're about to get the full loads. Heck yeah. It's all the way back up all the way, because we got the septic tank over there. We've got our fill lines here, or field lines. And luckily he has so much tread that he doesn't, track space, that he's not going to sink, so that's awesome. Let's get this thing unloaded. Alright, so that was one, and no, we're not done yet. We got another pile coming, because we definitely got to pick up the grade. It's such a big drop over there. But our next stake is supposed to be somewhere out here, because we're doing a 34 by 26 slab, because the shop is 33 by 25, and it's 25 this way, long ways 33. So heck yeah, we should definitely get the work done with this. Well, we have done some work for sure. My little helper's working out a lot. But yeah, we've trying to really bring a lot of that gravel back over here. Sorry, fill dirt, my bad. Fill dirt, because there's a stake. The stake, next one's gonna be over there, but that's gonna be your top. So we need to remove all this and put it all the way back to where that stake is right there. So we do need to get that trailer out, which, I mean, it doesn't look like it's in the way, but I mean, it'd be nice to have that out. But we're also trying to get rid of it because I could not pull the shop. It was so heavy. So we're trying to move all the way down here. So whenever I actually ordered some Neo seal kits for these cylinders because they are leaking. So we got to make sure we got the power that we need to do all this. And I think I just found another problem where this cylinder is leaking bad. And it's almost like it was punctured. Look at this, all leak like up here. because everything else up top is dry. It's almost like it got punctured here by that, but I don't know how that would puncture it. That's pretty wild. I don't know. So yeah, right there is a messed up piece. So I might be getting a new cylinder. This one's leaking like crazy. You just stand there and it just, you guys see it's dripping. When you pick it up, it's just pouring. So it's just the whole time dropping. And this one we're also replacing because it leaks out of here. I think when they installed the seal, they messed it up. So it's all getting new hydraulic fluid, new seals. Rebuild kit for this one. I got that one and this one. And now that we know we got that one leaking too, or this one, we're gonna have to figure that out as well. But other than that, she's running really good. And this is so far the progress we've had. Definitely got it lower than we need, or lower than it was, sorry. But we still got ways to go. I think it's supposed to be like right here. All this is gonna go downhill. So cannot wait to do some work with my buddy's Bobcat, which he also has a leaking cylinder. That's why we're going to be replacing just one of them. One of the arms is leaking. So once we get that, he's going to come out here and make this progress go a lot faster. But yeah, stay tuned. If you guys are interested in this kind of videos, we're going to be putting a pretty sweet shop up here. Like I said, 33 by 25. Very exciting. I'll keep you guys posted.